Deep breath in. All the way out. Good. Oh. How's the body going?
Yeah, feels good.
No gym today?
No gym today.
That's alright. We'll get the body right regardless.
Taking a break.
Are you taking a break?
Yeah, just for today.
Just get a deep breath in that left side. You feel that?
Yeah.
Nice deep breath in here. And all the way out. Good. Ooh, amazing. That moved well. Same thing here. Deep breath in. All the way out. Good. Ooh. Nice deep breath in again. And all the way out. Shoulders loose. Good. You feel that there?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's adjust that. Good. Nice and loose, yeah. Amazing. And now the right side.
Take a swat.
Similar, right below it. Nice and loose. Ooh. Deep breath in. And out. Quick little tune up. Well done. Thanks, David.
Beautiful. Thank you very much.